Hi, this is Dave from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2011 Holden Cruze, stock number 6474. This ran from the 3rd 2009 to the 2nd 2013. It has an F18D for 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6 pedal-pneumatic transmissions. This is the F18D for 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,